Friends, we have heard about the jungle and the animals we generally see in the jungle. See here, we can easily observe an elephant, a sweet little butterfly. Even we love to see deer, hare, rabbits, and the other small animals. But what if we came across to the lion? Yes, you heard right. Lion, the king of the jungle. And in the ancient time, a poor slave came across to the king of the jungle. And what happened? Let's see in our today's story, the Androcles and the lion.
So for that story, you have to see our next video, which is on our channel Learn Easy Swayam. So let's see the video, student.